almost took me out.
Is it a
Ooh.
sneeze?
All right, we are live.
Ooh.
Oh man, I went to start my car yesterday. I had a job right after the show. Didn't start. I was like, this is very unfortunate. Then I got it jumped like a couple hours later. It died like 10 minutes after that, so I had to spend like $200 on a new battery.
So when you started it, was it completely dead or was it kind of going?
It like tried to turn over at first, but it just kind of like it was the battery. I replaced the battery. It was fine, but I jumped the battery and I hoped that it would hold the charge, and it didn't. So the battery was just shit.
Yeah, only reason why I say that because it is in Arizona. It's hot, and if it was completely dead, I probably would have said you probably should change your alternator too.
I think my alternator's okay. My car's so new.
What year is it?
It's a 2012 and it has 40,000 miles on it.
Yeah, it's not that bad at all.
No, and it's a diesel engine. The thing's brand new. Your video's frozen. What did you do?
Video frozen.
What did you do? What is this fuckery?
I didn't do anything.
Why are you so bad at this?
I didn't do anything.
Well, you froze your video.
I didn't freeze my video. I didn't touch anything. I'm not frozen. It doesn't look like I'm frozen.
Frozen on my end.
And is it because I'm not moving?
No, you're...
Am I moving right now?
Now you're fine.
Yeah, I'm fine. I just probably wasn't moving.
No. It was completely frozen. I could tell the difference between frozen and not moving. Alright. Let's play a song.
Take that shit!
Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. DMB got this game in a headlock, so fear not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murders on the track to try and rock your socks. Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. DMB got this game in a headlock, so fear not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murders on the track to try and rock your socks.
Good morning, you beautiful stoners, and welcome to Trap Stocks. My name is David.
I'm Brian. What's up?
And Brian, tell everybody what we do every single morning, Monday through Friday.
We bridge gaps, baby. Which gaps, you might ask? The stock game, the cannabis game, the crypto game, and the comedy game. We are bridging gaps.
Just some stoners talking stocks. I want to give a huge shout out to Green Farms Dispensaries and Mad Terp Labs. They are in Mesa and Flagstaff, Arizona. Go check them out. They keep us high. They keep us in the clouds. So go check them out. Brian, who else we got for our sponsor?
We have Cheat Code Algorithm. You know them. We love them. They're an algorithm to help you trade the stock market. Works with TradingView.com, and it sends very clear buy and short signals, giving you the confidence you need to make semi-decent trades. Cheat Code Algorithm. Check out the link in the description. You get a discount. We get some money. Dave was supposed to send me the logo so I could put it up today, but he did not.
Totally forgot.
I know.
Totally forgot. I just want to start off the show with I haven't dropped out of Workhorse yet, and it's dropped 35 cents.
What's it at right now?
Fucking 11.39.
Ooh, okay.
It ended yesterday at 11.70. But yeah. Fucking, how was your night?
Pretty good. Just hung out with Devin's mom and her sister. They're both in town right now. We went out to dinner. Pretty much it. Watched Wanderlust. Have you ever seen that movie?
Oh, what is that?
It's with Paul Rudd and Jennifer Aniston. They're like two New Yorkers that kind of just like they like lose their apartment and end up moving into like a hippie commune. It's a great movie. It's probably like 10 or 11 years old now. It's very funny.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Fucking one of Joel's friends lives in a runner's house. So like runners from all over the world are running. They can stop there, sleep there.
That's yeah.
Crazy. Yeah. I was like, oh shit, I didn't know that stuff fucking existed. But
yeah,
I live under a rock, clearly.
Yeah, I didn't know that existed either, but it makes sense. I mean, like, in the comedy world, you know, I mean, like, we've got a house that people know pretty much if you're a comedian, you can crash there. Within reason, you know. I've definitely said no to a couple people because it's like, you're piles of trash and I don't want you here. But yeah, I mean, so, like, I didn't think that runners would do that, you know, but it makes perfect sense.
Yeah.
Help out the homies.
Yeah, partied over there one time. Pretty decent night. Took a bunch of mushrooms.
Right.
Yeah.
Nice.
Bro, before we get into stocks, did you read about how Britney Spears scored a big win yesterday?
I didn't know, no, but people have been talking about the whole Britney Spears conservatorship. I don't know how to say that word. Conservatorship. Wow, congratulations, you corrected me.
That'll never happen again, so I'm just going to really enjoy that right now.
I've heard people talk about this forever, but yeah, you want to talk what happened?
Yeah, Britney Spears nabbed a big win in a conservatorship battle this week after Judge Brenda Penny ruled that the pop star can now hire the attorney of her choosing. So, interesting, she chose this guy, Matthew Rosengart, a former prosecutor and prominent Hollywood lawyer whose client list includes A-listers from Ben Affleck to Steven Spielberg, was formally approved to represent the singer. He is largely expected to take a more aggressive approach, telling the courts on Wednesday that he intends to file paperwork in the next weeks to formally end the conservatorship.
Good. That's awesome. Yeah, good for him.
Britney
good for
Spears coming back.
Free Britney.
She's gonna collab with her. Free Britney.
Yeah. She's essentially been like held hostage in her house performing for Instagram. It's been pretty weird for the past couple of years.
It's kind of fucking... Yeah, it did not look pleasing.
No, the short of it is basically, you know, she had a breakdown forever ago. It's been like, what, 15 years now? And her dad like swooped in and was like, she's not fit to take care of herself, and he's basically just been controlling her life legally ever since. And people are like, man, she's a grown-ass woman, you know what I mean? Like, this is Britney Spears. This is an American pop icon. You can't just fucking hold her hostage.
Yeah.
And
it was her dad and her sister.
Dad and her sister? Jamie?
And sister was included in that. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. So if you deep dive into that article, I don't even think I posted it. It was saying that the father and Jamie have a right over her $60 million right now.
That's crazy.
Fucking wild.
Yeah.
But yeah, that was what stood out for my random news this morning. Did you read anything kind of crazy?
You know, I didn't. I actually slept in a little bit today, so I did not get to go through my old people browser. Yeah, so I didn't really see anything crazy. Did you see the... Oh, I mean, Matt showed us that video of the Prius flooding down the street. Did I tell you? It ended up on the news.
Flagstaff. So wild. Yeah, Flagstaff.
Yeah, that was wild. But no,
worries the shit out of me.
Why?
Well, that's not that far away from here, bro.
We don't have mountains, though. Like, we're not parked on hills. I mean, we do have mountains, but, you know, we don't, like, live on mountains like they do up there.
Scary. But yeah, all right. So you got no old people news today?
Unfortunately, no.
Did you, before we got into the show, did you check out the trending tickers at all?
I didn't. Did you?
No, I actually slept in too. I actually had a bad fucking morning. You know what happened to me?
What?
The Trap Culture AZ account got disabled.
Why?
I'm not sure. It didn't really say. It didn't even say what guideline I broke, but it told me to type in my phone number, and then someone will get a hold of me in 30 days. I was like, "Are you fucking kidding me?"
Dude, that's ridiculous.
Yeah, we almost had 7,000 people on that fucking thing.
And then it just got disabled.
And it just got fucking disabled. So that's the second account that got disabled on me in the last week.
That's awful. They're coming at you. It's pretty wild.
It's
legal here. What are you doing wrong? You're not even selling anything.
Who knows? It could be fucking an enemy. Who knows?
An enemy. It could be an enemy. It could be a secret cabal of influencers trying to take down the cannabis industry from within.
These motherfuckers.
You sound like fucking the Dogecoin founder right now.
Motherfuckers.
Cannabis is an alt-right conspiracy to get money for the overlords up above. They don't like drugs. They just like the taxes. That's you.
Yup. All right, let's look at these tickers. Let's look at the change percentage. One that does stand out that we fucking talked about last week was NEGG.
Yep. Let's pull that up on
20% right now.
Oh.
NEGG. Ooh, that was a big fucking hit. I got mimosa this morning.
Oh, I cracked open the Funkus / Star Duster, and I feel star dusted. That thing slaps.
All right, new egg. So it fucking crashed for a long time.
Yep.
And it's starting to come back up, though. Is this a trap?
Oh, yeah. Come on, dude. Look at that. I mean, Lord, that's terrible. It pumped to $80 and then dropped to $27. God, if you bought lottery tickets on that was a week ago. July 7th, it was at $80. If you bought lotto ticket puts on that, if they're even available, you're a fucking very happy person.
Oh, my fucking mouse died.
Your mouse died?
Yeah, the mouse died.
Why do you have a battery-powered mouse?
That's with the Apple computer.
Okay.
So I will be right back. 2 seconds. Keep talking.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna look at NEG. It doesn't look like there's any news that would make it go up. So I'm not really sure why it's up so much, but I mean, not a bad day overall. God damn, it fell so far. That is just terrible. I definitely want to check out Workhorse 1137. I like that. I was really thinking that once it hit 1150, it was going to just tank, but that didn't quite happen, unfortunately. You're back. Welcome back.
What are you talking about?
I moved from...
Gibberish, are you speaking?
No, I just moved over from NEG because I couldn't find anything about it. Just pulled up Workhorse. It's at 1136 right now, so I'm okay with that. I was just saying, though, like, I really expected it to hit 1150 and just drop through, because that's, like, clearly support, you know? And so it's really not falling at the rate that... I was expecting, like, a stop-loss raid, but apparently people are smarter than that. I don't know.
Really?
Yeah, I mean, like, look at it. Like, look at just... It touched 1150, 1140 a couple times, and even if you go further back, like, that's a support level for sure. And then look what happened in April. It hit 1144, it pushed up a little bit, and then it crashed the next time. You know, it, like, broke through that 1150 range and just shit.
Yeah, it did.
So I was hoping for that, but maybe next week. Do I have puts for next week? I think next week might be another put week.
God fucking damn it. All right. So that was interesting. Yeah, so there was nothing else that was standing out on the trending tickers?
Nah.
All right.
A bunch of, like, penny stocks / pump and dumps.
Yeah, that's literally the summer for you.
Yeah.
I do have one little bit of IPO news. This one's kind of interesting. This one reminds me of not UWMC, but like a better version of UWMC.
Okay.
But instead of just for houses, this is for like actual companies. So platform Blend Labs raises $360 million in top range IPO. So I actually have the website down at the bottom because I wasn't exactly sure what it was.
Okay.
So the 9-year-old lending startup has built platforms that 31 of the top 100 U.S. financial firms use for products such as mortgages, vehicle loans, and credit cards at the end of 2020. Okay. In total, the firm helps companies process an average of more than 5 billion in transactions per day.
Lord.
Blend. Yeah, I know. Blend said in January that it has raised $300 million from investors, giving the company a valuation of $3.3 billion.
All right.
Wow.
This is one to look into. This, again, falls into corporate software that we would never actually need, but is probably worth a fucking cajillion dollars. They already have great custom. I mean, Wells Fargo, U.S. Bank, Navy Federal Credit Union. Those are the really... Oh, BMO Harris. Big names.
Yeah, I blows my mind. So something, when it does come out, it's easily going to be on our watch list.
For
so we will,
certain.
Yeah. I lied. There's actually 2 IPO news. The one is for like the NASDAQ. This one's not really related to us, but crazy information.
Investors lap up Zomato's India IPO with bids of $46 billion. I'm going to pull that up on the screen here.
A delivery startup, $46 billion?
Okay. A stock offering by Indian food delivery startup Zomato drew bids worth $46.3 billion as it was more than 38 times oversubscribed on Friday, signaling investors were bullish about the fast-growing sector. The $1.3 billion IPO of Zomato, which is backed by China's Ant Group, was the first in India's food delivery sector. It was priced at 72 to 76 rupees per share, giving it a valuation of up to $7.98 billion. And since we don't actively know the rupee to US dollar conversion, we're going to go ahead and look that up. Let's just do 72 rupees, $2. That is
a crazy number.
Do you want to know? Do you want to know what it is?
Yeah.
Do you want to know? Take a guess. One share at 72 rupees per share. Guess.
It's got to be $600.
So you think it's a $600 share?
I don't even know. I don't know.
Okay. It's 96 cents. 96 US cents. That's how much 72 rupees is worth. So 72 to 76 rupees is 96 cents to $1.
Wow.
A little bit less than what you guessed. You were close. You're about 600 times off, but that's close.
Well, I was looking at... Yeah, wow.
I also had no idea. I mean, with...
Okay.
But I mean, I guess this makes sense. There is a... What is it? Zumia? Is that what it's called? There's like an African food, or Jumia, something like that. African food delivery service. It was the first one of its kind in Africa, which is a massive market. Yeah, JMIA. And it had a massive spike a while ago. So I could see this Indian one, I could see it opening, low at $1, and I could definitely see it having a big pump. You gotta think, food delivery in India, there's like a billion people there. There's a lot of people there.
Wow, okay. Interesting. Yeah, so that was our IPO SPAC news. Going to our plays. I still have my workhorse in Viacom options that are going to expire. Worthless today. $800 out the fucking window.
Oh, rip. I'm sorry, buddy.
$800 right out the fucking window.
I mean, I told you not to do it, so I'm not that sorry, but I'm sorry.
Yeah. Yep.
Wow.
Right. What about you? You got anything expiring today?
Oh, I bought way too many lottery ticket options. I was just like, I'll buy one of those. I just went on a spree. I was bored this week. So I've got like literally 7 things expiring today. Most are worthless, and most I spent $3 on. There was one that I spent. I bought a UWMC $11 call like 3 weeks ago. Spent $25 on it. Waste. Probably the biggest waste I have. I was like, this is terrible. Why would I buy a UWMC $11 call? Why?
Because one day it's gonna pop, and we know it's going to one day.
Yeah. One day.
One day. God, fucking. All right. What about our watch list? What is our watch list looking like? Nothing is above 6%, if that does any justice. But there are several stocks that are 1 to 4%.
Yeah.
Mostly 2%, which does not say it's a good day, but it doesn't say it's a bad day either, because there's nothing below 6%. What a weird fucking day.
FinViz says that it's a red day in the market. Yeah,
it's pretty much fucking even, bro. Maybe it's a little more red.
No, I would say it's quite
a little more red.
Yeah, it's probably 50% more red.
Yeah, we got at least 100. We got over 100 companies on our watch list right now.
Yeah, it's a lot.
I can easily say that. Yeah, but they're all like legit companies that we both agree should be on there.
I don't know what LYEL is. Lyell Immunopharma? This is something you just added like maybe a week ago. I have no fucking clue what that is.
Oh, I think it's a gene company, gene editing.
Okay.
Yeah, development of cell-based immunotherapies for human diseases.
All right, fun.
It's on a strong buy, Brian. It's on a strong buy.
Strong buy.
It is a strong buy. All right, it has a market cap 4.1 bill, volume almost 400,000 shares a day. Shares trading at $17, almost at 6%.
Cool.
But yeah, that was our watch list. Nothing really kind of to talk about. Nothing popped up on any of the websites I reviewed this morning. But I do have a couple things in the stock market to talk about that's not on our watch list.
Yeah.
Brian, you want to grab that first one?
Yeah. Dow Jones slides as Yellen warns of more inflation. COVID vaccine maker Moderna surges on S&P inclusion. Yeah, so mRNA, Moderna, is apparently on the S&P 500. I did not know about this. That's great.
I did not know that either.
Yeah, it's up. Moderna's probably, man, I feel like, yeah, Moderna's got to be like one of the best plays of the year.
$280.
Yeah, like, if you bought it in COVID times, it was like $40.
On my birthday 1 month ago, 180.
Yeah, what was your birthday?
June 7th.
Yep. Yeah, up $100 in the last month. It's up, like $240 since COVID broke. It's just a great play. Like, if you got in early, but it is also continuing to rise, and now, for saving the American people, they get included on the S&P 500. Congratulations. Thank you, Moderna. We love you.
Wow.
Yep.
280.
Pretty wild.
Are you fucking kidding me?
What a spike, too.
There was some bad news about, I didn't read the article, but there was some negative about J&J. I just want to type that in real quick, see if they're at 168. But they have a much bigger market cap, though. Yeah, they got a $444 billion market cap.
Jesus, what was Moderna? 112 billion. Quarter the size. That's wild.
Yep.
Okay.
All right, so there's that, and then GM to launch fleet charging service to power commercial EVs, even at home. So I thought this was interesting because this is competition to fucking Workhorse, or even a rival, I should say. GM and its new EV business unit, BrightDrop, are launching a fleet charging service as the automaker aims to ramp up its bet on connected and electric commercial vehicles. The charging service is the latest addition to BrightDrop, which was launched in January. The business unit offers commercial customers, starting with FedEx. FedEx, they already have a contract with the big fucking company that Workhorse, not even sure anymore. Starting with FedEx, an ecosystem of electric and connected products. BrightDrop has said it will begin the two main products. An electric van called the EV600 with an estimated range of 250 miles, give or take,
nice.
And a pod-like electric pallet dubbed EP1, which does not have the statistics. BrightDrop is part of GM's aim to reach 1 million EV sales globally by 2025.
Nice.
What do you think?
What's an electric pallet? Pod-like electric pallet? Dubbed EP1? What the hell is that? I don't
know.
I want to give you props because I accidentally typed in mRNA in front of bet, when I meant to do it on my other screen, and you
Yeah,
really,
it fucking messed me up.
you know, on it, you really took it like you went right through it. Like you figured out there was an error, and you read right through it. And I'm giving you props, behind the scenes props. Like
Wow,
I definitely
okay.
fucked it up, and Dave was like, "Bet," and what? Wow. I looked at him like, "Oh man," and then I deleted it to hide the evidence.
Oh yeah, there was that. So check out GM real quick.
Let's do it.
GM.
Currently, it's down today.
It has been falling for the last month.
Yep.
Not good. Not good. Not good. But I think they're going to be the front runners when there is another EV fucking surge.
Think so?
Yeah, why not? Like they were the front runners last time, so why wouldn't they do it again?
I guess you're right.
Because like I did call it, and then I should have got out when you told me to get out. Going back to I'm really good at finding things, but I have no idea when to sell. And you got the last one, Babby.
Let's see. Wahlberg-backed F-45 training gains little in trading debut. Ticker FXLV. F-45 train. Okay, hang on. I gotta change my graph here, so we can get some actual. Okay, so it just debuted yesterday. F-45 Training Holdings Incorporated, the provider of group fitness classes backed by actor Mark Wahlberg, rose as much as 11% and then lost most of these gains in its trading debut after a $325 million initial public offering. The offering was led by Goldman Sachs Group and J.P. Morgan Chase. The shares are trading Thursday on the New York Stock Exchange under the symbol FXLV, which incorporates the Roman numeral for 45. I don't know. Like Wahlberg was just like, I'm gonna wait for this fucking shit to IPO and then I'm dumping it, kid. That's
He did. He fucking got in it when it was just starting, so he already had a 200% markup on his investment.
yeah.
Fucking wow.
Sold half his shares for fucking, $100 million or some dumb shit like that.
Which is going on the watch list line.
Of course it is, just because Mark Wahlberg owns it.
Well, also because I needed to find this ticker, because in that article it also brought up Planet Fitness. They're publicly traded, so we need to find that one real quick.
Planet Fitness?
Yeah, they said it's up 300% since its initial IPO drop. Oh yeah, PLNT.
PLNT.
So let me go to this day chart. Yeah, they said it was up 300% since its initial startup. Which is, it looks like it debuted in 2016, and it looks like they're right.
Yeah. They went through a little bit of a rough patch. Well, COVID times, everybody did. Yeah, but Planet Fitness, if you look at the all-time, which I'm looking at right now, it's pretty much only up. It had a little bit of a dip in COVID, probably because a lot of places closed, but it's doing all right now.
Yeah.
A little down.
Do you want to add this one to the watch list, or should we say fuck it?
I want you to do whatever you want, Dave, because you're going to do it anyway.
Yeah, I'm going to do whatever I want. But I might wait. But that's what we got for you today. Didn't you say that you're only going to be here a couple days next week?
Yeah, I mean, honestly, I'm not sure if that's subject to change, but yeah, I should be gone Tuesday and Wednesday. But it looks like it's going to rain in Sierra Vista, so if it rains, we can't work because we're basically vacuuming turf fields. So I just gotta, I'll hear from Connor. He'll let me know. The plan right now is I will be gone. You got anything going on this weekend?
I don't even know. I think I found I'm about to tour a new venue right after I got off Trap Stocks with you. I don't know. Did I talk to you about it yesterday at all, or?
About what?
About the venue for CANNBIS?
Maybe, but I don't remember.
All right, bro. Let's just fucking say that potentially, because I got double approval, say it was okay from both parties, that it might include a 20,000 square foot arcade room game, or arcade area, laser tag, mini golf, a giant stage, pizza palace, a haunted house, and a bunch of weed.
You did tell me where. You told me when we were watching the game.
Yeah. Also, yesterday I got verification for everything.
That's dope. Yeah.
Yeah, fucking amazing.
Yeah, that's wild.
Yeah, people are gonna be so fucking happy when they like see this.
Yeah.
But you know, like, God take, God give. That expression, like, all right, it's got the best news I've ever had. But and then like, all right, I'm just gonna take away your trap culture page now. Figure it out. You know,
Sons
like,
of a biscuit.
like what? Like, and I was working on that thing for fucking 3 years. 3 years. So it's just crazy how life works.
It sure
I got
is.
the best news and the worst news all at the same fucking time.
Yeah, I believe Charles Dickens said it was the best of times, it was the worst of times.
Yeah, it's so fucking true. But yeah. All right, that's my fucking life. You got most likely you said we'll be here Monday, but you're leaving Tuesday?
Yeah.
What it was?
No,
Okay.
I will be here Monday. I'd be leaving Monday afternoon, so I
Okay.
will not. Yeah, and then I'd be working Tuesday, Wednesday.
All right. All right, we love you. Please like and subscribe to the video, comment, and then please join our Discord. A bunch of stoners sending gifts and making money together.
We love all of you. Have a good weekend. All right.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Don't use his likeness, Dave. He doesn't support cannabis.
Bro, you wrote cannabis wrong in the title.
Did I?
You did.
How did I spell it?
CANNBIS.
Oh my god, I missed the A.
Yeah, you missed the A, bro.
That's hilarious. At least if YouTube's gonna like block it from a filter or whatever, they're not gonna block my completely accidental misspelling. That's why you shouldn't spell things when you're high, folks.
All right.
Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. DMB got this game in a head like so feared not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murderers on this track to try and rock your socks. Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. DMB got this game in a head like so feared not. We are higher than Tesla.